let's go shopping and add some custom trades to villagers. Forging Fabric courses with advanced topics such as entities, custom structures, and 3D armor models linked in the description below. Alright, we find ourselves back in Intelligent once more, and in this tutorial we're going to be adding custom trades to villagers. This is a really cool thing to do, but really freaking easy. I didn't expect it myself, but it actually is very straightforward. So what we're going to do in our util package in the ModRegistries class, we're just going to make a new method, and that's going to be a private static void. I'm going to call this the register custom trades method. And this method, of course, will be called right here, register custom trades. There you go. And then what has this in store? Well, we're going to see, I'm going to actually copy over 2 trades here, and I will explain, but you will see that it is fairly straightforward, all things considered. So this is exactly what we need, and you can see those are 2 different trades. We're just using the trade offer helper right here, register villager trade, a profession here, the level of the villager, and then one of these, crazy things with the factories and then just like craziness. But when you think about it, this is actually not too crazy. So we just have, we have a consumer of certain stuff in here of this factories. When you look at it, okay, what does this really do? Well, this is boilerplate, this is boilerplate, this is boilerplate, this is boilerplate, and then only the new trade offer really is the thing that you need to change. Really, the trade offer is the thing that we want to take a look at. You can see, right, once again, here we're registering a trade for the farmer at level 1. And what we're going to do is we need to give it 2 emeralds for 12 grapes. We have 6 max uses. The villager is going to get 2 experience here, and the price multiplier is going to be 0.02. That's it. Overall, that is pretty freaking crazy. That is actually it. So if we middle mouse button click on the trade offer and middle mouse button click here again, we can see in the trade offers class, we should actually, I believe, be able to find maybe with the create. Here we can actually see the trade offers for the wandering trader. So that's very interesting. But here we have the buy for 1 emerald factory, which also is used a lot of times right here in the trade offers, right here in this map. And you can actually see, you can go through all of the stuff here. So if you can see, buy for 1 emerald factory, so COD, the price is 15, max uses experience. So this is pretty much where you can see all of the vanilla stuff right here. Highly recommend just checking this out as well, because it's just a very smart idea to basically take a look at this and to basically see what the frick is going on. Basically, you can see, sell item, right? Item stack saddle, price is 6, count, max uses, experience, multiplier. So there's a lot of stuff here, and basically all of the vanilla trades that you can take a look at. Now for us, what's also interesting for the trade offer, there are multiple constructors, as you can see, and what's really interesting as well is that you can also put in 3 different item stacks, and then the first 2 are going to be basically what you have to give up. So this is the buy item and the buy item, and this is then the item that you're getting. Really cool. So this is used sometimes for the toolsmith, I believe, or like enchanted weapons, where you also have to give up a diamond axe, for example, and then some emeralds, and then you get an enchanted diamond axe back. That's really cool. It's really easy, and you don't even have to use the emeralds here. You can use pretty much whatever item you want and just make custom trades to your heart's content, basically. Here you can see another example, right, with the toolsmith at level 3 in this case, and then you get the mithril pickaxe for 6 emeralds. If you want to add multiple trades to the same profession of the same level, you can also add multiple ones, right, like this, right, factories.add, and then just, do a different offer right here. And if you want something for a different profession and a different level, you just need to duplicate this one and then change it accordingly, basically. Right, should be fairly self-explanatory. This is pretty much basic Java knowledge, should suffice to change this around however you would like. Right, most of the other stuff here is sort of boilerplate, so that is actually how easy it is. So, for completion's sake, let's see if it works. Alright, we found ourselves back in Minecraft, and I've already prepared some villagers right here, so you can see, there you go, the farmer right here has the grapes, and you can also see how much experience they're getting from the actual, experience that we've sort of specified. And here, if I just do this, there you go, they actually leveled up as well. And then here I've already prepared a toolsmith here on level 3, basically. You can see the mithril axe, pickaxe, I can get it. And you can also see, I actually think that this is a few more attempts. I believe that I had like 12 max uses here. You can see, there you go. And now the max uses are there. And here, that's pretty much all that there's to it, right? So you can see that it is working like a charm. And here as well, right, you can once again get just a lot of grapes, and there you go. Now the grapes are done. So it's really easy to make some custom trades here, and I just I don't know, I find it really interesting because it's very simple, but it can add a lot of depth to your mod. Just adding like a couple of traits here and there would already spice it up very, very nicely. And yeah, I mean, that's how easy it is to add some custom traits to villagers. Right, but that would already be it for this tutorial right here. I hope you found this useful and you learned something new. If you did, I would very much appreciate a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. I also want to thank all of my lovely Patreon supporters for supporting me and this channel. It is very much appreciated, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. So, yeah.